Well, hello everybody. Triple Chip here. This is Down the Hatch 2, where we're doing our second blizzard. I did a bunch before, but a bunch of corrupt footage, so I'm just redoing them again. I'll just take this as number 2. We're at $6.99 because this is like the fancier series. It's the royal Oreo with the fudge filling, I believe it is. It's all melting all over the place. But that's what it kind of looks like. It's dripping everywhere. I don't know where the fudge is in there, but it's making a big mess. Can't beat Oreo. So that's like their specialty line. It's about $1 more than any of the other stuff on there. Pretty good. That is the Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So until next time, make sure you have a happy day, happy eating day, or whatever time it is. Because if you're eating, you might as well be happy. It's one of life's simplest pleasures. This one's over. Catch you in the next one.